Hey, so check this out. You know what I decided to do? I wanted to take you on like a little journey of what it's like to make a video for me. It's a lot of editing. It takes a long time. I've been trying to get like videos out a day. You know, I should probably get more into batch recording, but the editing is what takes so long. So I use DaVinci Resolve. I use CapCut, to do the editing. And plus I'm learning, it would be a lot better if I would script everything out and then record according to the script. But when you're making beats, sometimes you're making beats off the cuff. Sometimes it may be better to make the beat, then come back and script what you're going to do after the beat is made or after you've done the video, and you add, different things to it. So what I did this time is I made the beat. After I'm making the beat, I went and I chopped, I edited it up, then I went through it, and then I voice recorded some things for the video. Of course, you can see my shoulder. I'm hand holding this camera right now. So I want you to just take a quick look at some of the things that I do when it comes to making a video. All this editing that takes place that most people don't even care about once the video is done. They don't even care about the editing. All right, hold on. All right, so if you look here, this is DaVinci Resolve. Let me hold it a little better than that. This is DaVinci Resolve. I have it on dual screens. So this is more like where I can get my effects. This is my template. This is like the workspace where, your actual files are at. It would be good if I, do the training and would learn how to make the folders for music and things of that nature so I can easily access it when I want to do things the same for different videos. So I'm going in here and, chopping up the script. After I'm chopping up the script, I'm trying to find the place where the script should fall. It's a lot. So I'll be doing a lot of minimizing after I done got the script together. And then I'll like highlight and copy all this. Say my camera's off. I'll highlight and copy all this. And after I copy it, I'll take it and grab it to the position where it needs to be. It's a lot that it takes in getting a video together, Then after it, I'll watch the video. I'll listen to the video, see where I can add effects and swooshes and things of that nature. Sometimes I'll start videos like 6 or 8 in the morning and won't get finished till like 2 or 1 o'clock. And then you have to render. And then if you make one mistake, you have to change and make all these changes to the render. All right, like check this out. So, and this is dry vocals. I don't have my mic in or anything like that. So check this out, right? So what I want to show you real quick is me chopping up what I'm going to say, and my vocals, because I want to bring speed to it. I don't want to drown. I've learned from my prior videos that sometimes it can drag on and then people just lose interest in the whole thing that you're talking about. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the vocals, I'm going to take all the space out of it. I'm going to bring the vocals together, or the things that I'm saying, the vocal and the video. I'm going to bring it together so the pacing of it can be a little faster. So what we're getting ready to work on here is pacing. Now, I'm not going to have the vocals going. You're just going to see me chop through it real quick. Okay, watch this. All right. So I come here like this, and I'll do a cut there, and then I'll bring this down. I'm doing it with one hand, so it's not going to be as easy as I normally would do it. So what I'm doing here is with these cuts is I'm actually going through, and let me bring this up some so it can be in the middle. So what I'm doing is I'm going through and I'm like kind of cutting out space and breathing. And I used to go in and I used to cut and let it play, but I realized sometimes that's not enough. So I'm going to do a couple cuts. They refer to them as like J cuts and things of that nature. Some people say don't put too many J cuts in there, but so I'm just putting them together first like this. And while I'm putting them together like this, what I'm doing is I'm just putting them into place, and then I'll go through and I'll give it a fine tooth. So you see how we took something that was way longer and now I'm making it shorter. One thing, DaVinci is a great tool, and DaVinci is free. That's what people don't. This is the free version. So I've been editing with the free version, So they get to use us as, they get to use us as beta testers. So this is the free version. So I'm just going through and editing it so that it will flow faster. And then I, make fixes to the cuts and things of that nature. Ooh. That's why I often tell people we become video editors. You do so much in this content creation, music production space. I want to make my own movie one day. So it's a lot that really goes into making these videos. But DaVinci Resolve is one video editing software that I use. And then you also have CapCut. I used to use Adobe Premiere Pro, but I don't use that anymore. I haven't used that in years. This has been the easiest shift. And you want to know the thing about it that's good? It's free. It's free. I'm telling you, it's free. Yeah. So this is just a peep into what I do.